Make a great choice today with the 2021 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.